right, guys, thank you. Make sure to subscribe, press that notification bell, and leave a comment, guys. And make sure you do that because you don't want to miss any new videos or any new updates. All right, guys, thank you for watching. It's Romy from Solid Gold Shows.
Oh, it's pouring rain and high wind. It rained pretty good last night, so we do need all that rain. So more coming up until tonight. You got the rain clouds right there. So it kind of stopped a little bit, but it's just like starting again, which is good. Let's go this way. Let me show you. Yeah, there's the rain cloud. Yeah, it's about to rain again, guys. So anyway, California is in drought, so we do need that rain. So let it rain, let it rain. Well, let's take a look if there's any water collected in our homemade pond here. So let's see. Oh, we got a little bit of water right there on the right. I guess I didn't make that too flat. And more right there. If we get more rain for maybe, I'm gonna say, a week of rain, maybe 2 weeks, that'll be filled up. But it gotta be, not gonna be, I don't want it continuous, because that's gonna cause issues. So continuous heavy rains, that's not good. So on and off, you know. But you don't know how Mother Nature is gonna work. But yeah, look at that. Some more right there. So that's pretty good. Can't complain. But it's only what, 10 a.m. So it's gonna rain until what, 6 p.m. So we'll see. It's raining pretty good again. You know, I never imagined of me saying that I'm so glad that it's raining. You know, ever since I was a kid or younger, I don't like rain. I don't like getting wet. But now, I'm older, you know, we do need water. So very important. Yep, glad to see the rain. So we're gonna see, guys, how much water that will go into this pond. So we got a little bit, but we'll see by tomorrow. And I'll keep you guys up to date. That'll be the next, well, I'll make a continuous video on that. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of water here too. Hey, that's pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna do more better way better water catchment than this. So I need to buy some gutters and all that, and drainage, and put my tote there. Yep, slowly but surely, guys. Okay, now the wind is going crazy. Oh my god. Stop. Go away. Go away. The wind is terrible. Oh my god. Blowing everything away. Go away. Everything's blowing away. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I don't mind the rain, but the wind gotta go. Seriously, it needs to go away. Oh, this is terrible. Like a hurricane. Oh, nothing will break. We got a lot of things flying all over the place. It's freezing. It's windy. It's wet. Oh my God. That's, guys, make sure you pray for us. We'll be okay here. And likewise, we pray for you guys and pray for the world that everything will be okay. We got a rainbow there. Well, at least you got something nice besides the freaking wind and all that. But yeah, at least we got that beautiful rainbow. Yeah, nice looking rainbow right there though. But again, terrible wind, terrible. Make sure you guys to subscribe, press that notification bell, and leave a comment. And don't forget guys, the most important thing is to share the video. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Romy from Solid Gold Shows.